Haka dorbar telang ka ying dorbar tau an Lok Sabha kabala long haka khat atri unok pra arja arpusan u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon u MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ula yo ban kran halor ka kenrum kenram ka badang yai beteng han North Eastern Hill University NEHU. Habayo yakalat ban kran u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ula ong bo Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla u Vice Chancellor ka take school ba ula pep Trei mentala kumba laispa khandai pu Sngi AA kadbaya ka Tulop u Shim man lau benai. Ula ong bo new VC u yai beteng bentuklar yaki kam ka take school ba ka bawan ra jing yaki nong penyat mat kumta ula Dawa badai ban Weng no mardor yau teu VC bad ban thung no da Weng. Nalor kata u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ula ongru bakala ya chisnam nadu bala thong ya ka inquiry team henry hadu mentapan kampat IT ka nu ka kaipon bat kumta ula Dawa badai ban chimkia halor kani.
The chairperson, before I raise a matter of public interest, I would kindly request you to allow me to speak on another subject because the subject which I had mentioned I had already spoken yesterday. So kindly allow me to speak on this very important subject. So through you, Mr. Chairman, I wish to draw the attention of the Ministry of Education regarding the state of affairs of one of the oldest central university in the Northeast, that is Northeastern Hill University. Sir, for 392 days, the present VC is absent from the university, yet he is drawing his salary. And it is also very unfortunate that this VC, Professor P.S. Shukla, continue to interfere with the day-to-day functioning of the university and putting the university in great distress. And therefore, I demand through you, sir, that this Vice-Chancellor be immediately removed. And I would also like to draw the attention of even the House that an inquiry team was conducted by the Ministry of Education. It's been a year, yet the inquiry report is yet to be submitted, and I urge the concerned ministry that the report be tabled in the House. And for the good of this great university, sir, I demand that the government once again remove this incompetent Vice-Chancellor and appoint a new one so that this university can rise up, from the crisis that it is in and continue to focus on teaching and research for the good and welfare of all the stakeholders. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya